Hi guys, happy rainy days. Ayan, happy weekend sa inyong lahat guys. And yan, syempre, may lakad tayo kaya ayan. Si Mother, ayan, nakaayos si Mother. Ayan, syempre hindi mawawala yung ating lipstick, diba? So ngayon guys, dito kami sa Polar Street, nag-aantay ng number 2 na bus na pupunta sa sa Tsimshatchoy guys. So ngayon pupunta kami sa Tsimshatchoy kasi merong activity si Sophie doon na concert. So makikita nyo mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo kung anong concert yun kasi hindi ko rin alam. So ayan guys, abangan nyo ang aking video. See you! So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa harap ng Hong Kong Cultural Center. Ayan. So dyan kami papasok. So ano, akyat na tayo? So ayan, medyo maaga kami dito kaya mag-ano muna kami dito sa baba ng building. Maglakad-lakad muna kami dito. So ayan, meron pala silang kapehan dyan. Ano ito? Starbucks? Ay hindi. So ayan guys, napaaga kami dito. So maglibot muna tayo dito sa labas ng ng cultural. So ayan. Ay, may concert dito sis. Meron silang concert. Oh. Baka dito tayo. Ayan no. So ayan guys, meron silang dyan, parang concert ata. Diyan ba tayo? Di ba indoor sa atin? Meron tayong And guys, meron kasi silang dyan, ayan. Parang may concert dyan mamaya siguro. So tignan na lang natin. Yeah, say hi! Yes, you're right. Ayan. So ayan, hinahanap namin yung room namin kung saan kami manonood ng concert. Ayan, kasama namin sila principal. Dadalaw lang ito ako. Hinanap namin tong room itong gate 6. Ayan guys. Ayan. So umakyat kami dito. Tingnan niyo naman ang aking pawis guys. So ayan guys, pasok na tayo dito. So ayan guys, nakapasok na kami dito sa sa concert hall. Ayan. So, can you say hi? Hi. So this. Hi. So ayan. 3 PM sila mag-start. So 10 minutes pa guys bago sila mag-start. So ayan, at least makapagpahinga muna kasi sobrang init. At least dito nakaupo na kami dito at aantayin na lang namin yung oras. So ayan guys, yung mga nandyan sa baba guys is nagpa-practice pa lang sila kasi hindi pa naman nag-start yung concert. So ayan, pero malapit na mag-start kasi mag-start ng 3 PM meron pa tayong 10 minutes. So ayan, andito na kami sa loob. Siya nga pala guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Tsimshatchoy dito sa Hong Kong Cultural Center. So andito tayo sa concert hall. Ayan guys. Habang nag-aantay pa ng mga manunood, ayan, at yung mga kasama namin sa school, wala pa din sila. So, kukunti pa lang kami dito, ayan, mga estudyante sa Western Pacific Kindergarten, ayan. Hi! Ayan. So, antay natin mag-start, guys.
The waltz in this movement is a bit different from the waltz that we used to know. It's not a 3-beat waltz, but a 5-beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But you still have the elegant and graceful feeling for this piece of love adults, but also a family of young people. And I think the parents should be involved. Yes. So, yes. And I would say that when we think about children with special needs, we always think directly about schools. And we think about what is this, what are these children costing society, and how do we deal with it? And I think that it is so wonderful if we could start not to see them as problem children, but great children who could give something special to us. And I dare to say that my own son, who is this very special child with autism, brought me not only problems in the beginning, because absolutely that's true, but he also gave us a huge insight information about how it is to be a human being with problems. And that enriches my life, and it enriches the family, my family, and I think these children we can learn a lot about these children. So I think that when we play on stage for these children, concert is amazing, and all my players makes us very much. Thank you for being here.
Ayan guys, tapos na. Wait, sit down first, sit down.
Yeah, we'll go. Mama must go.
Sit down, sit down. Ito, late tong dalawang mag-ina. Umabot sa last ng kanta yung naabutan nila.
Ilan din yan? Madami din kanta.
Oo, yung una. Ayan. So, ayan guys, tapos na kami dito.
Kasi kapag sa kanila video.
Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi namin na-video yung pagtugtog nila kasi bawal mag-video. So, ayan guys, hanggang ganito lang ang video natin. Ayan, tapos na kaming nanood ng concert. Ay, kuha pala tayo dyan, oh, brochure. So, ayan. Kalalabas naman namin ng concert hall. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng ano nito. Sophie, get one. So, ayan. Summertime party time. Ganda ng ano nila, decoration nila dyan, oh, mga Chinese.
嚟自嗇色園主辦可道中學嘅舞蹈員為我哋演出古典舞《林間》。
I would like to introduce you the dancer from Hodao College, sponsored by Siksik Yun, performance of Chinese dance Lin Jiang.
散落間流水潺潺，所經之處攝草粗，貼春草之韻，潤澤心靈。
Oh, ayan naman ang goal earth, diba? Ayan, nanonood kami ng show. Dapat doon tayo sa ano, hindi makita dito. Diyos ko, tong.
再次多謝台下咁多位觀眾對第16屆學校舞蹈節巡禮嘅支持。
Today's dance show is successfully held to the end. Thank you so much for the support to our 16th Schools Dance Festival show.
Maybe it's finished. Let's go now.
再次多謝所有工作人員嘅通力合作，以及教育局課程發展處及香港學界舞蹈協會一眾委員同義工嘅幫忙，使到第60屆學校舞蹈節巡禮能夠順利完成。